Okay, so here's number 3 for lesson 3. Again, we've got variables on both sides of the equation. So I'm going to draw that line to really show you that there's an x on the left and there's an x on the right. So the first thing we have to do is to get rid of one of those x's since there's nothing to distribute and there's no fractions or decimals to get rid of. There's no like terms to combine, so that brings us all the way down to move the variable. That means move the variable. So we're going to get rid of this positive 8x by subtracting 8x from both sides of the equation. That means the only thing left on the left is negative 3, and then we have 1 plus 2x on the right. This leaves us a two-step. Two things are happening to the variable. The x is in a different location than usual, so please notice that I'm going to put in a box the positive 2x. That leaves me a 1 over here. That's a positive 1, so I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. That gives me negative 4 equals 2x, and I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to get x equals negative 2. That's my answer. So I'm going to do a check. Remember, the check's a little more complicated because you have 8 times negative 2 minus 3. So you calculate that, put that into your calculator, and then on the other side you have 1 plus 10 times negative 2, and you put that separately into your calculator. Negative 16 minus 3 is negative 18. No, it's not. It's 19, negative 19. And over here, 1 plus negative 20 is also negative 19. So that does check. Again, you can use your calculator to do this step, just typing this in and hitting clear and then typing this in. But I don't have that calculator on here, and I just like to do the math.